everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing with the brand new NATASHA DENONA Valentines Collection. This collection includes three products, and we've got the mini eyeshadow palette, which is so cute. We have got a cheek and a cream blush and highlighter duo, and then we also have a nude lipstick. I'm so excited, so let's get started. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun reels and posts, a lot of TikToks and stuff, so it's a really fun time. So if you do follow me, thank you in advance. But let's get started. Alrighty, so let me open these up here because I haven't even, oh look how cute. Okay, so this is a continuation of her Love palette last year. It's just a mini version. And then we've got, I'm actually so excited about this cheek cream blush and highlighter duo. It looks so cute. Oh my god, look at this packaging. Look at this. And you guys know that I love, oh yes, I love cream product. So this is actually probably my favorite. So you have this cream blush and then you have a highlighter. So here are what the shades look like inside this palette. You have a really pretty blush, and then here is your kind of pinky shifty to like kind of goldish highlighter, very pretty. And then we have the nude lipstick right here, and it is called Amorosa, and it's very cute. Oh my god, look at this packaging. And here is what the nude shade looks like. It is a very pretty kind of neutral toned nude. This looks beautiful and I cannot wait. And I will go ahead and swatch the eyeshadows for you as well real fast. Here are what the eyeshadows look like swatched. Very pretty, very Valentine's. This is the Valentines Collection, so it doesn't surprise me. It's really pretty, and let's just jump in. So I am gonna do my eyes first today. I normally do my eyes first, but for today, I really wanna try one of those like cut crease wings that you see people do. They like start up here and then they go like out and then like that. I've never done that before, and I don't even know if I can do that since I have such hooded lids, but I want to try anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes here. Okay, so to do that, I need like a tiny brush. Oh, like this. This will work, I'm sure. Okay, and I'm actually gonna go into this shade right here. It's this super light purple color. And then I'm gonna try to do this. I swear, you guys, I don't know if this is going to work. Oh my god! Oh my god! It kind of worked, you guys! Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. And I don't really want to keep messing it up because it's actually pretty, it's not super sharp, but it's a lot sharper than I thought that it was gonna be, so I don't want to mess it up. The only thing I'm trying to do right now is just get a tiny little bit more pigmentation on the outer part here. I hope I can do the same thing on the other side. Like, it was so easy to work because the shadow is very pigmented. I just think that NATASHA DENONA is one of the queens of eyeshadow along with Mother Pat McGrath. Okay, well, it's not perfect. It's not like a perfectly even, but I'm still not mad at it, you guys. It is not perfect. I will say I think I like this side better, but this side is not bad. I didn't know that I could actually do these. Now that I know that I can do these, I'm gonna do them all the time. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and then I'm just going to sweep this over just to make sure that it is, well, maybe not that much because that's a little too diffused. I didn't realize that it was going to like fluff away that easily. Okay, so maybe we're gonna keep it pretty pigmented because I really didn't think it was gonna fluff away that easily. But I feel like I need to like diffuse it out just a tiny bit or something. I don't know. So I do want to put some shadow in the center here. I'm just trying to figure out which one that I want to use. I think I'm actually gonna do the silvery one. Yeah, it needs some setting spray. I will say this palette is nice, but for number one, I wasn't expecting this purple shade just to fluff away when it was getting blended. That's one thing that I'm not entirely pleased about. And the shimmer shades on Natasha Denona I normally find are super crazy pigmented and you don't need setting spray, but for this one I'm finding that you really need setting spray for, so I don't know. Okay, it is really pretty. I don't like this shimmer shade very much. It's very crumbly and it's really kind of like, what's the word? Like it's crumbly, you know, and it doesn't look very smooth on my lid. It just kind of looks chalky and crumbly. This one's not my favorite. You know, I could be using it wrong. I am doing kind of like a more editorial kind of look right now, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna do the other eye. Like maybe it's just not supposed to be super crazy pigmented. I do like this one a lot more. This one I can have my full eye open and you can still see it. This one, if I open my eye, you can't see it anymore. I did this one too low. So next time I'll have to move this one up higher. Okay, so that's that. And then I think I'm just gonna go back over the line that we did, you know, like the first, the actual liner part thing. And then just kind of darken up any spaces that I feel like I went over, just to make sure that they're nice and pigmented. Alright, so there's that. I actually super freaking love this. I love it so much. Like, I love the eye look in general. So I am going to quickly do my face makeup and then I will come back to you and we will do this right here and the lips. But I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I'm back and we are going to jump into this baby right here. I'm so excited. So again, this is the cream blush and highlighter duo. I just love this packaging so much. And here's what it looks like. And I'm going to take my handy dandy cream blush brush. I pretty much use this for all of my cream blushes. It's the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection number 7 brush, and it has this bit. It's a dual-ended brush, but I only use this side. This is a very pink blush, so if you like pink blush, then you will love this. I do like pink blush. I like it just fine. But if you are not into pink blush, then you may not like this. But I do like the formula. It is really pretty. It is more of a matte blush. I thought that it was going to be more of like a dewy finish, but it is more of a matte finish, but I do like it. Alrighty, so there's the blush. Really cute. It's very like Valentines. It's very like sweetheart kind of blush. I like it. Now we're gonna go into the highlighter. And I love this highlighter so much. Really pretty. And I feel like it's more of a, it's not like glittery or too thick. It's kind of more of like a glow highlight than like a super beaming highlight. It still is really pretty. I do like it. And it's not too dark for me because it does have that kind of like a golden reflect in it, which can sometimes pull a bit too dark for me because I'm like super like paper white. I like it. I like the highlight as well. I think it's really pretty. I'm digging it. So that's great, but I am gonna go ahead and quickly do my mascara. I should have done this before, but I forgot. I'm gonna do my mascara and apply some lashes. Also for my face, I use the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Santa Fe, but before that, I used my Glossier Future Dew as primer, and then I used my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then of course my one and only Ilia bronzer. So that's what I used for my face, but I am going to go ahead and do my mascara, which I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs at Lash Mascara. And then I wanted to try to find some lashes that were a little bit more light, like ones that are more like out here. And I actually found some ones from Kylie Cosmetics, and they're a bit more like flared out, which I do quite like that shape. So I'm going to use these today, but I'll come right back. Okie dokie. So lashes are on, and I gotta say, I actually quite like these lashes a lot. I haven't worn them in a while, but I haven't worn lashes in general in a while. On to the lips. I'm actually gonna first line my lip liner. This is from Bodyography. I got it in a BoxyCharm a while ago, and it's called Pouty, and I think it's a very similar color to the lipstick shade, so. Well, actually, I think it's a little bit lighter. Let me see if I can find, ooh, I know one that'll work. That one was a little too pinky, so we're actually gonna go in with M Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Teddy. This one's a bit more brown, and I feel like this lip color is a bit more brown with like a little pink undertone. There's that. And now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is called, it's in the category I Need a Nude, so it's in that like umbrella category of her lipsticks, but it's in the shade Amorosa. This is a very, very beautiful lip shade. I love this nude. I think it looks beautiful, and you guys, I am so into this. This is a very flirty, it's really pretty, but yeah, this is the completed makeup look that we did create today using the brand new NATASHA DENONA Mini Love collection. So cute. I'm super into it. I love the eye look so much. I never thought that I'd be able to do this kind of like cut crease wing situation, but I'm so into it. I love it. I will say the palette is good, but I have tried other palettes and even other mini palettes from Natasha that I do like more. The matte shade, the purple, was very, very pigmented, but it did kind of like fluff off after just like blending it once, so that's a little weird. And then the shimmery shade in the middle there was not my favorite. It was very, very crumbly, and it wasn't like that foiled kind of really nice shimmer. This is my favorite thing out of the entire collection. I love this so much, and I will use this till the end of time. I love this. I love the colors. I love the blush. I love the highlight. I like it so much. If you were thinking about getting anything from this collection, and if you're into cream products and you like face products, this right here would be my suggestion. And then the lipstick as well. I have to say, I think the lipstick is my second favorite. I love the lipstick. It's really, really nice. It's very creamy. It's not a matte formula. It's more of like a regular lipstick formula. So it's very creamy. It feels great on the lips. It's not drying at all. But yeah, overall, I would probably give this whole collection like an 8 out of 10. Like, I really, really enjoyed it. But you guys, that has been the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you are thinking about getting any of these products, or if you have gotten the products, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, because I would love to know that. But again, I did hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there, and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!